Welcome back to the VSC channel. Today we are going to be reviewing cables, charging cables. But before we start, I want to show you something, guys. This here is the Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3, alright. This here is a standard Samsung charger, and this here is one of the latest iPhone chargers. Okay, so if I remove the chargers, guys, and I'm only left with the cables, alright, and you can just see what a mess it is. But let me show you what I have under my desk, because I promise what you see here really is very messy. But okay, now keep looking up. So these are the so-called modern cables that you get from the major manufacturers like Samsung, like Apple, and like Xiaomi. And there is a problem with these cables. And I don't want to show you what is under my desk, but let me show you something else. Come closer. This here is my Samsung charging pad, which I use with a standard Samsung cable. And it just really looks very bad because I have this problem with tangling cables. And in fact, there is a solution to this. I have been contacted by Magtame and I requested them to send me the two versions. So they send me the O version and also the C version. And now it's time to unbox and test those cables. But what is also important, guys, well, you can just see it here. Right? They kind of stick to each other. Why? Well, because there are magnets inside, okay? And why is this important? Well, let me show you. So I'm gonna start with the first one. So this is the O version, guys. We just try to unbox it. By the way, very nice packaging, I have to admit, very minimalistic. They're also saying that we're using the most simple pack to save the planet. I think that I have to give them credit for this. Mini size, portable, magnetic, self-winding, neat and tidy charging, guys. So inside you'll pretty much have really what you need, and this is indeed the cable. Guys, this is indeed the cable, and pay attention, guys, it is really a magnet. So let's say I want to charge something, right, with this, and actually let me just try this right now. I'm going to just put this inside my Samsung charger, all right, and get rid of this cable that is really so annoying. And guys, I'm going to be now using it, okay? So right now I've hooked this up to my charger, right, and you can just see, I can try to organize it a bit. So even if I put it here, guys, okay, you can just see how it stays. And the thing with this is that it will help you to really unclutter your desktop, right, your setup. And this thing here is not only good for uncluttering your workspace, it's also very good for traveling. See what I mean, guys? You can put it back like this and it will always take the original shape. Now, this here is USB-C to USB-C, right, 60 watts. You can also choose the USB-A to the lightning port. You can choose USB-C to the USB-C like I have, or USB-A to USB-C, so there are plenty of options. And now, without any further ado, I'm gonna open the other version, which is the C-Cable, guys. Now, why C-Cable? Okay, again, very elegant packaging. I think I like this better. Let's first test the magnetic force. Absolutely magnetic. You can just see it sticks. This here is the C-Magcable version. It's again 60 watts USB-C to USB-C, guys. They all start from €19 or $19. By the way, they come in 3 colors. So there is the black one, silver one in my hand, and also a blue one, which is quite nice. Now, what is the difference, guys? You can see the O version falls like this, right? Has a bit more of dimension and volume, and the C version comes really flat, and the whole cable is also different, right, compared to the O version. Let me show you what you can do with this one. All right, so this one is pretty long, I think 1.5 meters. The moment you stop using it, guys, very easily and conveniently you can just put it back and it will just stay the way it is. Okay, it's very convenient. It will always regain back the previous shape. You cannot do this with regular cables. Why? Because the moment you do this with the normal cables, like I often used to do this, guys, you put something like this, the cable is gonna break, you're gonna have to buy a new one. So this here will be a very good solution for you. Let's try this also on my Samsung charger and see what happens. Okay, so I put it like this, I can connect my charger, and now I will have an organized desk. It's really better. And by the way, guys, you can just keep doing this and just fold it like this, all right? Or just put it like this and you just simply forget about this. This is what they look when they're fully cold or folded. So again, this is the O version, this here is the C version. They might look metal, they're very nicely braided with a soft fabric, guys. And by the way, quite heavy, feels quite premium. Let me show you the portability. C version going in the pocket, not a problem at all, guys. The O version will be a bit tougher, but you get the point. You can also put it there, and yeah, almost no cables at all. Magtame advertised that the cables can do 480 Mbps data transfer, so I have hooked this up to the USB-C port of my laptop, guys. What I'm gonna do right now, I will untangle the cable and put it up on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. They claim that you can effortlessly transfer 1 GB file with just having a few sips of coffee. We're gonna be testing that. I have selected the suitable candidate, almost 1G video file. I'm gonna drop it right now here, guys, and actually, yeah, the speed is quite impressive. Yep. We can confirm, so it's absolutely really delivering what they promised. So yes, I can confirm that whatever they promised, they're able to deliver. It really takes a few sips of coffee to just transfer one file that is almost 1 GB. So those are the Magtame cables, the U and the C version, fully magnetic. As you can see, they even stick to each other. And in this final test, what I'm gonna do, I am gonna try to just test how quick I can put them together, right? Because this is something important and I don't see a lot of people showing this. Maybe like 10 seconds to really fold this one. This is the C version, and now the other version, the O version. Let's just try the O version, guys. Yeah, O version, not so quick from the first time. Yeah, maybe needs a bit more time. I can just try a second try. All right, I think now this works. Yeah, okay. I do believe I got it. I prefer the C version. If you want to check them out, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the video description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over and bye.